breaking news.
Girl, your pussy too.
Nah, like those. Some of them get up extra good. Yo, we there, you feel like you're in a air for brother. You do me, I say, we put. You do me, I say, hey, yo, you see when you just, you don't want to come out. You know when you do good, that dog, you day and night, that dog, you walk, you know, brother. And you just start get warm. And, go your bed. Go your bumbo clip bed. I not say nothing to you, no go. That you don't want to hear. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica. Anyways, we're here with another reaction for you all. Now we got wait. First of all, if you say your name over there, so big up yourself. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for commenting on my videos. Comment on this video to see your name in the next video I'm gonna post later on today. Because I don't know we're gonna post our 2 to 3 videos today. Anyways, we have Dexta Daps. Breaking news, Dexta Daps official audio, May 2020. This dropped yesterday, Dexta Daps. Not me. But anyways, breaking news. That's how your name, breaking news. You know, it might take advantage of, you know, it's going to take advantage of the whole lock-up situation or whatever. Understand, man? Until this day, I don't know what really happened because I wasn't in Jamaica. Anyways, I don't know. But anyways, if you want to see what's happening to this, my female viewers reach out to me and like, Dexta Daps drop something for the girls them. So, make sure you react to it. I didn't know the reaction boss now, man, again. But let me tell you this now. When Dexta drop a song, him get all of the girls them, right? When Dexta drop a song, him brainwash all of the girls them. So right now, me jealous already. I'm to start to the song yet. I'm jealous already. I'm sure someone like the video to make me feel good, you know. Like the video, and make sure you comment on the video, yeah, man. If you like the video, YouTube will send it to more people for more people to see it. You know me? Respect. I'm going to see what Dexta Daps do right now. I'm saying if you ever try to keep my girl to them, man, a problem, Dexta Daps. Me say a tune, brother. Alright. Me not hear the woo woo woo. Me not hear them something there right now. I'm glad. Because I could have managed already. And the song just start. Dexta Daps, make sure you don't come for teeth, my girl. Make sure say it's a break. Make sure say something about. Make sure say something about crime, yeah, man. Because they ain't breaking news. Make sure say nothing about the girls them that. Okay, if you try to go teeth my woman them, a problem Dexta Daps da. Make people say
Stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. Too nice to him, the boy.
see in competition all a boy girl already, dog. Me tell you if you stop fight with him. See it there now. But me see I come tell you what our first girl kisses him gone pan already. I tell a girl for left her man already. Stop fight with him. You're too nice. Competition. Brother, Dexta Daps Latif again, I done chat.
I love him belly, just pause. Him not right for you, I think you need to left him.
Dog, why you tell a man if you left him? Then you tell her say him love him belly for poison him. Dexta Daps, dog. Man, you if I come to the man them girl na dog, man, you don't forget all the pum pum them, brother. One pum pum two dog. If I come to man woman dog, man, why no want me react to this dog? I know how them feelings that I catch dog when I react to Dexta Daps song dog.
Boy too boring, him for make you have fun. Him a cute, say feel you know no more time you feel.
Let me tell you this, brother. My girl have whole lot of fun with me, dog. She don't need if you come have no fun. She don't need if you put nothing in her head right now and tell her about me too boring and me love me belly for poison, brother. Dexta, dog. Try no star.
If a fuck your man done, stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson.
Tell her this. And all of we are boxer and all of we are fighter. Tyson kid one big. Yo, we can't fight like them man there. Try no star. I need for mess. Me probably try that. I'm hungry, dog. Try no. Chop.
Too nice to him, the boy love him belly, just poison him. Breaking news, man, what kill him, girl, I guess I cause her pussy too good. Breaking news, girl, your pussy too good.
Of course, my girl pum pum good. That's why I'm there with her. I'm not gonna kill no girl because her pum pum good or too good. Handicap do that, idiot do them something. Yo, why the lighter ever fuck with my camera? And damn it, with the dog. Alright, there go. Yo, me tell you this, brother. You stop coming after my girl them now, na dog. You gotta stop it now, Dexta Daps. Me gonna start do some girl tune then. Since let you go do, watch.
Breaking news. Man wa kill him, girl. I guess I cause her pussy too good.
Breaking news.
Girl, your pussy too good.
Nah, like those some of them girl pump extra good. Yo, with them you feel like you're not ever brother. You do me I say we put. You do me I say. Hey, yo, you just wanna, you just, you don't want to come out. You know when you do good that dog, day and night that dog, you walk, you know, brother, and you just start get warm, and go your bed, go your bumbo clip bed. Me not say nothing to you, no go. That you don't want to hear.
If you's a king, treat her like a queen. Remember, say no, the two and her like a team.
Exactly. Nobody that beat up a woman, bro, God. Treat a woman nice. You want to treat her like a king. Why you don't want to treat her like a queen too? Why you want to eat her down? Why you want to box her in her face? Why you don't want to get her no food? Why you don't want to get her no money? Treat a woman damn good and stop make Dexta Daps come thief a woman. You understand me? That's why them rate Dexta Daps so because Dexta Daps sing true to the girl them love ear. Run tune.
Don't be the man, I just can't understand him. No born with a pussy and I go on like a film. Stop.
Exactly, brother. Come out and what them bumbuckle on the fix your. But anyways, come out and lick woman and them bumbuckle belt something there, brother. And I talk about lock up woman in the house. And I hear boom boom. You move like a year one. You can't control who she go fuck by you with. If she want to come get Tyrekevlogs the pumps, I'm sorry, but she go give me to you can't stop her. You hear me? Exactly. Run tune though.
I fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson, girl. You're too nice to him, the boy love him belly.
Me tell you this though. Enough man I get poisoned this year. Enough of them I get poisoned this year. And it's because of Dexta Daps. That's the facts. No, some women just want a little motivation and a little push, you know. They don't get the abuse, they don't not get treat right in the relationship already, you know. No, them go to one artist, them listen to fully, them love and enjoy Dexta Daps. Go sell them to the spice them bumbuckle belly because him love him belly. You think they're not gonna do it?
Breaking news. Man, what breaking. Girl, your daughter seat. Now she go through a hot time in your ears when you fast asleep.
Hot tile in your ears. Hey, Dexta Daps, I know why you come and bring a woman and tell them when they do them bag of something, you know, brother. No what happened to you, no Dexta Daps, but I tell you already, you know, you have a fan base full of most of women. And you know, it's a whole part. You have a fan base full of most of women and whole part something going in a relationship here. And if you go tell them to do them something, you tell them not going to do it. Why? More people not listen to you, because I could have bothered with so much man I go through it right now.
Girl, nobody give up on love. If your heart never broke on me, would I get it? Man, one right off, girl.
If you tell every girl that the 1, 2, 3 lyrics that every man use, brother, don't give up on love. They may say that because I eat that boy that break your heart. I might be the right man for you, so why you go say you know I love again? They may say, I say somebody, if you want a girl or if you want brother, watch me, brother. Yeah, yard man by the way, to watch me right now and I need that part in the video, brother. You never used to line there, a man never used to line up on you yet if you want a girl. You never used to line there if you want a man yet, or one girl never used to line up on a girl yet, dog. Yo, you always work. You know, always work. If you have a little more extra juice to it, it's me fish say, alright, I'll give you a chance. And then I say, breaking news.
The rest of the story check it. But no, breaking news. Man, what kill him, girl?
Despite all I say before, little criticize it. Well, not criticize, little fun and joke thing I talk about, except for man. That's what I actually mean all that, you know. They mean I say. But you know, capitalize. Probably I was saying a long time, but you just capitalize on the little arrest thing and breaking news. But me not lie, it's bad. Really saying. Saying I go differently. Actually, me actually one of the only nigga them really, one of the few niggas who really like Dexta Daps music thing. I know people don't really fuck with it, you know. Why camera music, dog? Jaja. Hope it not bright up in my run through now.
Cause her pussy too good. Breaking news. Girl, her pussy too good. Cause her pussy too good.
bang done. People, let me tell you this. Hold on this. If you want girl to watch me dog, always drip out there. Always. Don't get it twisted. Come here. Come take a walk with your boy. Tell him this. I'm dead. I'm dead. Them dead?